Hello guys! I just wanna give you a tip how you apply a fiancé visa here in Germany. First, ang babae sa Pilipinas, need niya ng A1. Second, NBI. Third, birth certificate ng kapatid and parents, naka-PSA. Fourth, own birth certificate and yung proof of singleness, na single kayo, naka-PSA din yan. Tapos, second, if you are below 25, you need a parent's consent. Much better pag naka-notary yan. Tapos, third, you need NBI. Fourth, you need baptismal. So, these requirements should, within 6 months, very new, or else hindi yan tatanggapin. Tapos, pag meron ka na nun lahat, yung fiancé nyo dito sa Germany, they will call the Standesamt here in Germany, or civil registrar. Tapos, may fill upan kayo, and then, you will send it, all the requirements you have in Germany or in Philippines, you will send it here. And then, he will apply here. Tapos, yung sa lalaki naman, ang kailangan lang niya, birth certificate and proof of singleness. I-apply niya na he wants to marry you. Tapos, and not all that, you need also like pictures, proof ng pamilya mo, nagkita kayo, yung chat nyo, yung money, kung ano ba kayo ng money, susupport pa siya sa'yo, you need to send it to the embassy. Tapos, yun lang ang kailangan yung i-send. Tapos, pag makakuha na kayo ng confirmation from Germany, civil registrar or Standesamt, then you will send it in Manila Embassy. Tapos sa Manila Embassy, they will ask you like for 300 euro at the rest sila na ang bahala. So, good luck guys! Sana makapunta kayo dito sa Germany. God bless. Toy, toy, toy.